So when I saw that, so it's like, quote unquote, God sent me a signal saying, hey, that is what you asked for.
For me, fairly enough features to ride the bike and to be pleased with this bike. So I think it's the bike is going to be a benefit for me.
Was almost exactly, if not is really close, I would say 80% to Urtopia. One day I woke up, it's like, I have this idea that, this is the bike, it's considered my dream bike.
The most important thing for me is the design and the smooth driving.
Yeah.
I think this is the first time I choose a product because the design.
Urtopia is the design and the feature.
Very good specification.
Number one, I really like the look. Coloring on the, around this bar. The shape is attractive, very attractive. I like that. The convenience of charging the battery, whether I can take the battery out and separately charge it, is something I look at.
And I see the bike.
Yeah.
I feel the bike, the light white and the design and cool.